This second video is devoted to creating a Promobot using Chatterbot. Before we start making a bot, let me tell you a few things about setting up stories. The first is that we have to specify a name, and we must do this correctly, as it will be easier for us to work with the entire structure of the bot if we know what stories mean and what they can contain. So we can make our story a landing page on any specific pages of your website. We have to turn the tumbler on, and we need to specify the page here. We then need to indicate whether the path is equal to the entered URL, equal to the entered URL and can contain a referral or a UTM parameter, or lastly equal or includes the entered URL. Well, let's imagine that we have a pro page which is a child of pricing. If you chose equal, Chatterbot will become a landing page only on the pro page and not a symbol more. You can use the second option in most cases. It's almost the same as the first option, only it can include parameters like UTM. And if we want to include the pages which are children of pricing as well as pricing itself, we can indicate that it's equal or includes option. Also, you can specify some fixed buttons here which users can use any time regardless of the plot of the bot. For example, you can provide links to your sign up or login pages. If you don't want to use it on your website, you can share the link to your bot, which will be in landing page mode by default. We can engage with users actively. You can see how it looks like by clicking on the Show Me button. This is a seamless way to engage with leads than landing page mode. The difference is that Chatterbot will take the form of a widget, which is by default on your site. So unlike landing pages, it can be used together with your website content. The setup is almost the same as a landing page. We can use story as a saved reply. That means that the name of the story will appear in the saved replies of the dashboard, and then you can use it manually. It's good to use if at some point you want to ask somebody for an email, or maybe if you wanted to give access to closed stories. Okay, a lighthouse story. The first task of a lighthouse is re-engagement, because it can be sent to all old users which used your bot before the changes you made. The second task is to give users paths to the updated parts of the bot and close the paths to the old parts as long as your bot was updated. Inside the lighthouse story, you can specify some new obligation so the user won't use the bot that no longer exists. Also, if you didn't change the bot much, for example, you've only changed texts, videos, GIFs, design, or added content, afterwards you can specify that the story should not be sent this time. Anyway, let's save this and start creating a bot. Let's imagine that we want to create a bot that carries out a promotion. So it's not so serious, it's only for the purpose of learning. What we need here is to engage users somehow. We have to create some eye-catching cards, and a combination of a delightful GIF and a short witty message should work very well. Let's write a message. Boom, Promobot is here. Since this message doesn't give users anything to choose, and we want some space between messages, let's choose the automatically next action, which will show the next card, where we will tell users in more detail what we are offering. So let's save and create our second card. Here we can offer some value, in response to which users will most likely leave their contact info. For example, today is our Black Shopping Day. It's like Black Friday, but it could be on a Tuesday as well. And I was set up to offer you a 15% discount. How do you like this? Well, the value has now been offered. We can split our promo story into positive and negative paths. Let's add another story and create the negative scenario first, because it won't be so large. Negative always depends on your bot's structure, so you can provide alternative or additional values, start a conversation, or provide links to different parts of your bot. Positive means that we have to give the user a discount. And we can write something like this. Well, I knew it. Humans always love a discount. And leave your contact info below and I'll send you a discount code. Scout's Honor. And we will request an email and a name here. If you use qualify action, it will work like this. Chatterbot will ask for the email and a name. After they've been received, the next card will be sent automatically. Now we have to give users a discount code. We just need to add another card and specify the positive reply. Congratulations, your discount code is code. Enter it when ordering. We can also add the user to any segment like positive discount. So let's save and see what we have. But before the test, let's set up a design. You can choose a color from one suggested or enter a custom one using hex or RGBA codes. For example, you can choose the most saturated color of your own color scheme. Now let's choose a button. They can somehow correlate with the job that the bot was hired for. You can also choose a suitable background. And we're ready to test it. Okay, well, the test went well. You can apply this bot from templates. I called it Promo Action. Let's finish and see how it works in reality. To do this, make sure that you've saved all the stories and cards, and then click Finish. Now we have to specify the name of the bot, the ID, which will be used in direct link to your bot, the website where you want to use it. If you don't want to use it on your website, just specify something like example.com. And let's skip the options below because they will be more useful later. Now, Chatterbot invites us to install the code on the website, and I've prepared a test page just to show you how to do this. So copy the code to your clipboard and paste it before closing body tag. Done. Now, let's see how it works. Everything looks the way we set it up. It's a very easy example, but even the most complex bots can be built this way. You can edit your bot and constantly improve it. Also, you can test it using the direct link to your bot before you're ready to install it on the website. I hope this video helps you to create your own cool bot and improve your customer acquisition as well. So, I say goodbye to you and see you in other videos. Goodbye.